So over here, you can see that I actually have Google Search Engine open the app. And let's say I want to go ahead and search for PDF files related to production process. So I may not know how to search that exact file. So I can actually utilize Claude to make a Google search engine prompt or any search engine prompt for that matter. So I can go around over here and type in, let's say, for example, give me a Google search prompt so that I can search for production process PDF files only right here, just like this. So as I were to go ahead and hit send, Claude will actually go ahead and analyze it, and it says here's the Google search prompt right here. So it says production process right here, and there's the file type PDF. Simply go ahead and copy it out and paste it in the Google search right here, and then press enter, and you can see that I get PDF files right here, just like this. So I want to be specific. Let's say, for example, I want to be specific for video production process. Let's say, for example, right here. So as I were to go ahead and do that, it says here's your Google search in a search prompt. So that's the Google video production, and it even goes ahead and gives me more specific prompts right here. So I can go ahead and copy it out, and then I can go ahead and paste it out and press enter. And once you do that, you can see that I got the PDF files right here with the production process listed out right here. So this is how you can go ahead and then generate out search prompts as you like using Claude AI as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.